Hey guys, Axel here. Wanted to show you a quick video going over how we actually trade over $23 million in trading capital, funded capital, as you can see right here with Archangel X, and how we're actually able to really milk these prop firms for massive amounts of payouts. And yeah, this is basically one of the ways that we make money for ourselves. And first of all, we take advantage of pre-funded programs, right? Where we get funded right away. We skip all the challenges. We don't care about the challenges. We go right away to the funded stage. Once we got that, now we can get straight into trading, and whatever profits we make on those accounts will actually get paid out on without having to do the challenge. And right here, I wanted to show you what that looks like at the highest level when you're trading millions of dollars. We're talking about 23 millions of dollars. We're talking about an 8-figure funded trading portfolio. We're not talking about something small right here. We're talking big money. And I want to show you what that actually looks like when it comes to the P&Ls, when it comes to the profits and stuff like that. Because just yesterday, for example, we were trading with Archangel X. Now, we trade different strategies, different ways, different pairs. Not all of the accounts get the exact same trades, but some of them are in batches that get the exact same trades. Okay, and that's why you will see some discrepancies of profits, some accounts that are a loss. You will see them as well, but we'll show you everything right here and what it looks like to trade with Archangel X at the highest level and some of the results that we get ourselves, so that you can understand the potential that this product has, right? For example, we can see right here, we're trading a 500K account right here. This was initially a 500K account. It's at $10,965 in equity, as you can see right there, or you could just look at the P&L right here. We got smaller accounts like a 25K account. This is only up $200. Got another 500,000 account, which is up $10,200. We can see another one here up $9,784. We got smaller accounts like 100K up $1,600. Again, of course, my favorite accounts are the 500K accounts. That's where a lot of money is made. We got a 200K that's up to $1,000. Again, let's look at the 500Ks, right? That's where the real money is made. Got a 500K right here, another 10 grand, another 8 grand. And this was done in a single day. The trades themselves were not like executed same day, close same day. They were writing, like Archangel knows what it's doing, knows how to do it based on different strategies that we got going on, but it all closed in one day, and that's why you see these profits. Let's go over some of the bigger accounts. Okay, we got another 10 grand right here, got another $7,000 right here, or 11 grand right here, and $6,000 right here, etc., etc. We can actually even break down, go into some of these accounts, for example, this one. And I want to show you some of the discrepancies in different strategies that are all profitable. For example, you can see this one, trade taken is 13. The account growth was 10,300, right? We could see this one, the account growth was 10,400, but this one took 215 trades, right? So these are same bot, same trading bot, different set files, different strategies, but yet the result is still very similar. And that's what we love when we have a massive portfolio of $23 million. The biggest thing is diversification. We can't use the same exact strategy on all accounts, because if we have one bad day, then it means all the accounts are having a bad day, and that's not something where we want to be. We rather have diversified risk, where we use a different strategy here, a different strategy on this batch, different strategy on this batch. That way, worst case scenario, let's say this batch is having a bad day, this batch is having a great day, this batch is having an amazing day. Overall, as a portfolio, we're still up in profits, although this one specific batch might be in a loss at that specific time. But yeah, for example, we can see this one, 215 trades taken, 88% win rate with the trading bot. Absolutely amazing. Then we can see this one, which takes way less trades, only 13 trades, 76% win rate, right? But again, almost the same account growth. You can even take a look at the lots. Like this is 357 lots that were open compared to 131 lots that were open. Again, different strategies, but we got to the same result, which is make money. We can continue on. You can even see some accounts are in a loss. Like, let's not hide that. Fortunately, the losses are not that big this time. Like this one is down $10. This one is down $165. This one is down $12. This one's only up $87. This one is down $2,000, right, on the 200K account. Again, that strategy maybe is not as good as the other one. Like, let's keep it transparent. But yeah, you can see we got $8,000 in profit, $2,400 in profit, $1,000 in profit, 10 grand profit, etc., etc. Most of the accounts are in profit right now and are in the green, which is amazing. But yeah, I just wanted to make a super quick video showing you what Archangel is able to actually do when you're trading multiple funded accounts all at the same time. Now, of course, you probably won't be able to get $23 million in funded capital, but you can definitely get $1 million in capital. If you include your friends and whatnot or family, you can get $2-3 million in capital that you can trade yourself with Archangel X and be making a lot of money. As you can see, this is all in one day, right? So you can tally this up and add it up and see what the profits are for a single day. I'm not saying every day is like this, by the way, but let's say this is all we do for the rest of the month. We stop trading right now. So then all of this combined with this is over. And by the way, we have 2-3 more pages of this stuff, by the way, as you can see right here. So if you add all of that up and that's all we trade for the rest of the month, we're already up probably $50,000 to $80,000 in profits right there from all of that stuff, including the losses. So that's how you can make really copious amounts of money when we were trading an 8-figure portfolio. And I'm not saying that you're going to be trading an 8-figure portfolio. I want to show you the back end of how it looks like, so that maybe that could be your goal one day. Or you could start, like I said, with your own 100K, 200K, 500K pre-funded account. Then you can grow. Then we can go into a 1 million. Then we can go into 2 million, 3 million if you include family members that you want to manage, etc., until you start making real solid money. Now, again, this is very high level. We're talking 80 grand in basically a day, but you get the point. I'm just trying to make a point that this really works at the highest level. And even if you look at some of our clients, for example, we got this guy's 4% up in 1 week plus 1 day, and he shares his stuff inside Discord. We got this guy up over 50% in November alone. By the way, we're in January right now. We got this guy up $75,000 in a day. This is all with Archangel X, as you can see right here. Again, a lot of results. And if you don't believe their results, I'm showing you my results. I'm actually logging into the back end, not even supposed to show you all of this stuff, but I am. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, I can't wait to have you use Archangel X.